Stop wasting money on expensive creams. Did you know the secret to brighter, fresher eyes might already be in your kitchen? Yes, your potato. But wait, before you try it, there are things you absolutely must know to protect your delicate skin. Today, I'm sharing everything, the good, the bad, and the simple daily tip that can actually help your eyes glow naturally. Hey friends, it's your name. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a small, natural hack that promises to help your eyes look brighter, fresher, and more awake. We're talking about the potato eye brightening hack, which has gone super viral lately. But this isn't just another trend I'm blindly following. I've actually tested it myself, and I want you to know the real truth behind using potatoes around your eyes. Your skin, especially the delicate area around your eyes, is incredibly sensitive. And one wrong step with any new treatment, even a natural one, can make things worse instead of better. We definitely don't want that to happen. That's why I am going to break down the 5 potential risks and the 5 amazing benefits of this potato eye hack in plain, easy-to-understand language. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge to safely and effectively include this natural tip in your daily routine, if it's right for you. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about the things you absolutely must know to keep your skin safe. These are the warnings that often get overlooked when a hack goes viral, but they are crucial for protecting your skin. Warning number 1. Skin irritation. Potatoes, though natural, contain certain acids and starches that can potentially irritate very sensitive skin. If you leave raw potato slices on for too long, or if your skin is particularly reactive, you might experience some redness, itching, or a mild burning sensation. It's always best to do a small patch test first. Just place a tiny piece of potato on an inconspicuous area, like behind your ear or on your inner arm, for a few minutes to see how your skin reacts before putting it near your eyes. Better safe than sorry, right? Warning number 2. Allergic reactions. Now, this might sound surprising, especially since most of us eat potatoes regularly without any issue. But topical application is different from ingestion. Some people can develop an allergic reaction to potatoes when applied directly to the skin. This could manifest as swelling, more intense redness, or a significant burning sensation. If you notice any of these symptoms, even if you've never had a food allergy to potatoes, stop using them immediately. Your skin is trying to tell you something. Warning number 3. Infection risk. This one is super important. Raw potato juice, like any raw vegetable, can potentially carry bacteria if not handled properly. If you're not meticulous about cleanliness, introducing this near your eyes could lead to an infection. Always make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling the potato. And equally important, wash the potato itself really well under running water before slicing it. Using a clean cutting board and knife is also a good idea. We're aiming for brighter eyes, not an eye infection. Warning number 4. Temporary results. Let's be realistic here. While potatoes can offer some benefits, they are not a miracle cure that will magically fix dark circles overnight, especially if those dark circles are genetic or caused by significant lack of sleep. Any brightening effect you might see from the potato hack is generally mild and temporary. If you go into this expecting dramatic, permanent changes, you're likely to be disappointed. It's a supportive measure, not a complete overhaul. Think of it as a gentle boost, not a total transformation. Managing expectations is key to feeling good about any routine. And finally, warning number 5. Staining and mess. Trust me on this one, potato juice can stain. It has a starchy, sometimes sticky texture, and if it drips onto your clothing, towels, or even your pillowcase, it can leave a mark. This isn't a huge deal, but it can be annoying. Keep your routine clean and controlled by perhaps lying down with a towel under your head, or making sure you're wearing an old t-shirt. The last thing we want is to trade bright eyes for stained laundry and frustration. So, remember, this potato hack, when used, should be seen as a gentle, complementary approach, not a replacement for fundamental self-care like getting enough good sleep, staying well hydrated, or using professionally formulated skincare products when needed. The last thing any of us wants is irritation or disappointment from trying something that's supposed to be beneficial. Now that we've covered the important warnings, let's shift our focus to the really exciting part. The 5 good things, the amazing benefits, that make the potato eye hack worth considering for your routine. When used correctly and safely, potatoes can be a fantastic natural ally for your under-eye area. Benefit number 1, natural brightening. This is often why people are drawn to the potato hack in the first place. Potatoes contain natural enzymes, particularly catechase, and a good amount of vitamin C. These compounds are known for their mild skin lightening properties. They may help to gently reduce the appearance of dark circles over time by inhibiting melanin production and promoting a more even skin tone. 2. It's a very gentle, natural approach that doesn't involve harsh chemicals or synthetic ingredients, which can be a huge plus for those with sensitive skin or who prefer a more organic skincare routine. Benefit number 2, anti-inflammatory effects. Ever woken up with puffy eyes? Maybe after a long night or just feeling a bit tired? Potatoes can help with that. They contain certain compounds that have natural anti-inflammatory properties. Placing cool potato slices on your eyes can help to soothe and reduce puffiness and swelling. The coolness itself constricts blood vessels, further diminishing puffiness, and the natural compounds in the potato add an extra layer of relief. It feels incredibly refreshing and soothing, especially after a long day staring at screens. It's like a mini spa treatment right at home. Benefit number 3, affordable and accessible. This is one of the biggest advantages. Unlike expensive creams, serums, or professional treatments that can cost a small fortune, potatoes are incredibly cheap and easy to find at any grocery store. We're talking pennies per application, Vs. This makes the potato hack a perfect option for anyone looking to incorporate a natural, beneficial step into their beauty routine without breaking the bank. It democratizes skincare, making brighter eyes a possibility for everyone, regardless of budget. Benefit number 4, easy to incorporate daily. You might think adding another step to your routine sounds like a chore, but this hack is surprisingly simple. It takes just 5 to 10 minutes out of your day. All you need to do is slice a potato, perhaps pop the slices in the fridge for a few minutes for an extra cooling effect, and then place them over your closed eyes while you relax. That's it. You can do it while listening to a podcast, meditating, or just unwinding. Consistency, as with any skincare routine, matters more than intensity. A few minutes each day or a few times a week can really make a difference. And for our final good thing, benefit number 5, gentle and non-toxic. When used correctly and carefully, potatoes are a completely natural ingredient. This means you avoid exposing your delicate eye area to harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, parabens, or preservatives that are often found in many commercial skincare products. For those with highly sensitive skin, or who are conscious about the ingredients they put on their bodies, a natural option like a potato can be a wonderful non-toxic alternative. It's simply nature's goodness at work. So, there you have it, the full breakdown of the potato eye brightening hack. We've covered the crucial warnings to ensure your safety and the amazing benefits that make this natural remedy so popular. Remember, while natural, it's essential to approach any new skin treatment with care and listen to your skin. If you decide to try it, start with a patch test, prioritize cleanliness, and manage your expectations for gentle, gradual results. I hope this video gave you a clear and balanced view of the potato eye hack, helping you make an informed decision for your own skincare journey. It's all about finding what works best for you and your skin. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews, natural beauty tips, and easy-to-follow hacks. And hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I love connecting with you all in the comments, so let me know if you've tried the potato hack or if you have any other natural remedies you swear by. See you in the next video. Alright, let us dive into the fascinating world of natural beauty and talk about how to safely use our amazing potato eye brightening hack. It's super simple, and with a few easy steps, you can start seeing a real difference. First things first, hygiene is key. Before you touch anything, Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. We want everything clean and fresh for your delicate eye area. Next, grab a clean potato. You don't need a fancy one, just a regular potato from your kitchen. Peel it carefully, and then, using a sharp knife, slice it into thin, even pieces. Think about the size and shape that would comfortably cover your under-eye area. Now for a little secret weapon. Chill those potato slices. Pop them in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. That coolness is going to be your best friend when it comes to reducing any puffiness around your eyes. It's like a mini spa treatment. Once they're nicely chilled, find a comfy spot. Lie down, close your eyes, and gently place one chilled potato slice over each eye. Just let them rest there. This is your cue to relax. Take about 10 minutes to just breathe, clear your mind, and let the potato do its magic. It's a perfect mini break in your day. After your relaxation time, carefully remove the slices. You might notice your skin feels a little refreshed already. Then, gently rinse your eye area with cool water to get rid of any potato residue, and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. A quick tip for getting started. I recommend using this potato hack 2 to 3 times a week initially. Pay attention to how your skin reacts. Everyone's different, so listen to what your body tells you. And this is super important. Never, ever leave potato slices on overnight. We're aiming for a gentle boost, not an extended treatment. Follow these steps, and you're well on your way to brighter, more refreshed-looking eyes. Now, while our potato hack is absolutely fantastic, remember, it's just one piece of the puzzle for truly bright, sparkling eyes. To really maximize your results and give your eyes that incredible glow, we need to talk about some other crucial tips that work hand in hand with our potato magic. First up, and this one is non-negotiable, hydration. You've heard it before, but drinking plenty of water daily is essential. Our potato hacks are awesome, but they won't work their full magic if your body is improperly hydrated from the inside out. Water keeps your skin supple and can drastically improve the appearance of your under-eye area. Next, let's talk about sleep. Oh, glorious sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every single night. Dark circles and puffiness are often the first telltale signs of a lack of rest. Prioritize your sleep, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes, not just for your eyes, but for your whole body and mood. What about diet? Fueling your body with the right nutrients is incredibly important. Make sure you're eating plenty of vitamin-rich foods, especially those packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and B complex vitamins. Think colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts, and whole grains. These vitamins support skin health and can help reduce inflammation and pigmentation. Don't forget sunscreen, even around your eyes. The skin around our eyes is incredibly delicate and thin, making it super vulnerable to sun damage. Always use a gentle, broad-spectrum sunscreen around your eyes daily. Protecting this area from UV rays will prevent premature aging and further darkening of the skin. Finally, a little gentle massage can go a long way. After you've used your potato slices and rinsed your face, lightly massage the under-eye area with your ring finger. Use very soft circular motions. This helps boost circulation, which can reduce fluid retention and bring fresh nutrients to the skin, enhancing that bright-eyed look. Combining our incredible potato hack with these extra tips for hydration, sleep, diet, sun protection, and gentle massage, you're truly setting yourself up for success. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can achieve brighter, more vibrant eyes naturally. Thanks so much for tuning in today, everyone. I hope these tips empower you to embrace natural methods for radiant eyes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more amazing beauty hacks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Your support means the world to me. See you next time. Right, let's wrap this up. So, we've talked a lot about the potato eye brightening hack, and before you go trying it out, let's quickly recap some crucial points. While this natural trick can offer some awesome benefits like gentle brightening, reducing puffiness, being super affordable, and totally non-toxic, it's not without its considerations. Please, always be mindful of potential skin irritation or allergic reactions. Patch test first. Okay. There's also a small risk of infection if not done hygienically. And remember, the results are often temporary. Oh, and watch out for staining, especially if you have very fair skin. This is a fantastic small, natural hack. But let's be realistic, it's not a miracle solution. Consistency, careful application, and realistic expectations are your best friends here. If you're truly looking for brighter, healthier eyes, this potato hack can be a great starting point. But always combine it with good hydration, plenty of sleep, a balanced diet, and protecting that delicate under-eye skin. So, here's your call to action. Why not try this potato eye hack safely for just a week and see the difference for yourself? If you do, share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more natural facial care tips. Remember, your skin deserves the best care, and it doesn't have to cost a fortune. Bright eyes, healthy skin, happy you. Thanks for watching.